Hey beginners! Today, I'll show you how to send email to someone. It's super easy. Open any browser. Generally, Chrome, Edge, or something. In this video, I am using Edge. Now go to the search bar and type gmail.com and click on the enter button and wait until the page opens. Now log in with your Gmail, enter your Gmail ID and click on the next button. Now enter your password and click on the next button. Once the page is opened, try to search for the Compose button or pen icon. It's generally located at the top left corner. Click on it, a pop-up appears. The first field is known as To. In this, you have to enter the email address of a person you want to send email to. Start typing the email ID, you will get to see suggestions you can select, or you can enter the full email ID. Next is the subject field. In this, you need to specify why you are sending this mail to someone. Next is the body. In this you can type the message you want to send. And also you can style the text like bold or italic. You can also attach files by clicking on the pin icon placed at the bottom. After you are satisfied with your email, click on the send button. After a few seconds, you can see a pop-up message sent. That's it. Now you know how to send email to someone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment on what you want next.